Good morning, student. Today you are going to write down the answer. List the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. The pairs of rhyming words in the poem are old, hold, loose, use, bit, eight, grey, way, doubt about, twist, rest, slim, him, round, ground. It is the question answers for the 3.5 unit donkey poem. What does the poet pray for? The poet realizes that the 1 day old donkey is very frail and certainly can't take care of himself. He prays that the world treats the little fowl with care. Have you seen a newborn of an animal? Yes, I have seen the newborn of a dog. The newborns, that is the puppies, cling on to their mother for their dear life. They are very puny and their mother is very protective of them. All the puppies nestle close to their mother at the time of drinking milk. It is milk, milk. Milk. Find what the young ones of the following animals are called: donkey, fowl, horse, fowl, lion, cub, tiger, cub, elephant, calf, sheep, lamb, cow, calf, pig, piglet, whale, calf, owl, owlet, swan, cagnet, eagle, eaglet, duck, duckling, peacock, peachick, kangaroo, joey, deer, fawn, frog, tadpole, butterfly, caterpillar, goose, gosling, goat, kid. Complete the following using your own ideas. His head was too big to hold his neck. He was too shy to sing for the class. She was too proud to apologize. They were too tired to explore any further. We are too busy to go on a vacation. He was too lazy to open the door. Form groups and hold debates on the following topics. Make bulleted lists of point in favor, pros and those against cons. The pros means favor, cons means against. The given statement. Let the whole class vote on who won the debate. Man should use animals for his own needs. Contact with man has helped animals to survive. Man should use animals for his own needs. Animal testing has contributed to many life saving cures and treatments. There is no other alternative method to testing on a whole body system. Animals are appropriate research subjects because they are similar to human beings in many ways. Animal research is highly regulated with laws in place to protect animals from mistreatment. Animals often make better research subjects than human beings because of their shorter lifespans. Animal cons against. Animals testing is cruel and inhumane. Alternative methods are now existing that can replace the need for animals. Animals are very different from human beings and therefore make poor test subjects. 95% of the animals used in research are not protected by the Animal Welfare. Animals tests do not reliably predict results in human beings. Write a conversation between a donkey and a dog, a donkey and a horse, a donkey and a school. So, conversation you are going to write it down by yourself, all the three, in the homework notebook. One I will explain and tell you orally. Like that, you are going to write the remaining two as your homework. Now, dialogue between a donkey and a horse. Horse, how are you, Mr. Donkey? Donkey, not so good. No time for enjoyment. How are you? Horse, I am good. I have got a good master. He takes good care of me. Donkey, my master is good too, but he is poor. I am made to work from dawn to dusk. DAWN, dawn to Dusk, dusk. Horse, that is sad, dear. I hope things get better for you. Donkey, I don't know about that. You know, we are known as the beast of burden. We only carry loads of luggage on our back. Horse, I know, we are lucky. We have to carry our masters on our back. Our masters are very proud of us. Donkey, you are lucky. People sit on you with pride. The same cannot be said about us. No one likes to sit on donkeys. Horse, that is very sad. I know that people look down upon donkeys. They do not like to sit on donkeys because they feel it below their dignity. Donkey. People feel that donkeys are there only to carry burden. They feel that donkeys are foolish. I have heard people, and it is so disheartening to hear this statement. Horse, I hope things get better for you and people understand your worth. Donkey, may your words come true and we too get the same respect as you got. Horse, yes, that will happen. Times are changing. People are becoming aware that animals too need their space and should be treated well. Bye for now. See you sometime soon with a smile on your face. Donkey, yes, I too hope things would change for us. At least our children will then have a better life. See you, dear horse. Like this conversation, you are going to write. Small also you can write it. No need to write a big. All the three you are going to write down. If you saw someone abusing an animal, what would you do? Write about in 5 lines. If I were to see someone ill treating an animal, the first thing I would do is calmly but firmly suggest the person to stop his misbehavior act. I will explain to him that these vulnerable animals can't speak for themselves. I will tell him that it is our duty to protect them and not harm them. If he continues the ill treatment, I would call the protection services. Next, letter writing also you are going to write. Question answers given, it should be written in CW, and leave letter you are going to write in composition notebook. You are going to write the from address of you, date 1st February 2021 to the principal SM Dr. D.Y. Patel English Medium School, Shahanagar, Sinjwar, Pune 19. Subject application for leave in school. Respected madam, I am the student of 6th standard in your school. I have my cousin's marriage to attend which is scheduled in Delhi. Therefore, I am unable to attend the school from 10th of February to 17th of February. I kindly request you to grant me leave for 7 days so that I can attend my family function. I shall be really thankful to you. I will complete all my work after coming. Thanking you, yours obediently. So you are going to write this letter writing in the composition notebook and you are going to complete all the notes in the CW.